Let me introduce the Penpot AI Kit. It's an official Penpot repository. You'll find the link in the description below. It contains a collection of skills and agent instructions designed to help AI assistants work much more efficiently inside Penpot. One of its biggest advantages is that it teaches the agent how to use the Penpot MCP server efficiently. Instead of relying only on your prompt, the agent already understands how to interact with the Penpot API and when to use the right skill for each task. As many of you already know, skills allow the agent to perform much richer, more context-aware workflows. That means even if your prompt is fairly vague or doesn't include every detail, the agent can still produce much better results. Everything is handled automatically. The agent manages its own workflow, decides which skill to use, and combines them when needed without any manual intervention. You can browse the full catalog of available skills in the repository's README. They are focused on common design tasks in Penpot, such as auditing existing designs, generating design tokens, managing component libraries, or creating interfaces from scratch, and much more. I highly recommend give it a try. Whether you are using frontier models or open-weight models, the results are consistently better than relying on prompting alone. Sounds good, right? So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.